I'm so stupid. I just can't. I can't. That's it's just too stupid. Stupid. If you want to bring joy to kids and be called the Candyman, not creepy at all. Let's talk about the Gumball machine business, also known as the candy machine business. What do you need to start? You need candy machines. Check your city if you need to get a license or certificate for each machine. In my area, it is, I believe, $10 per machine per year to get a sticker from the city for your candy machines. Then you need a creepy van, which is optional, and to form an LLC, which is also optional. What's the barrier to entry? A triple head candy machine is about $220 on Amazon at the time of this recording, but on some websites you can find them as low as $160. The other option is order from China and it will be cheaper. I got my machines for $135 per machine, total price $135. That's shipping plus tax plus tariffs plus whatever else there is to pay. But keep in mind that you have to wait almost 2 months and the quality might not be amazing. So let's go with the most expensive option of $220 for the machine, plus $30 for candy for one load. So all in, you're looking for an investment of $250, and remember that because we're gonna use that number later. How hard it is to find a location? Not very hard. There are companies that offer location services that I'm not a huge fan of. I actually have a video right here where I talk about my experience with them, but overall they charge about $40 to $50 per location. And in my experience, you can find locations yourself faster. Just go to the restaurant or the barbershop or whatever the venue is and explain what you do. Maybe pick up a cause to donate to. My personal choice is Wounded Warrior, and I donate $1 per machine per month, which is about 10% of my gross revenue. But it's totally up to you. You don't have to have a cause, but it's good to have one, and it helps with the business as well as helps without cost. Moving and installing the machine. This is not very hard because the machines are pretty light. I suggest you learn how the machines operate at home and then go install it, so you don't have to learn how things fit together at the time of actual installation. You're just gonna look funny to the owner if you don't know how to install your own machines. If you're still watching, guys, smash the like button and consider subscribing to help me grow this channel and help more people with their finances and business. How much should you expect to make? So without going into super details, one vent will cost you about 8 cents and you're making 25 cents. You can also get a machine that charges 50 cents. Basically the apparatus is different, but that's totally up to you. Also, sometimes the owner wants a cut of the profit. I usually offer 10% to the owner, and I explain that I either donate 10% or give it to them, to the owner. So far, only one person wanted their 10%, which is about $1 per month, which to me is pathetic, but hey, it is a business owner, you placing the machine on their property, so they have full rights to want what they want. How much will you make? Well, my machines average $10 per month. Other people have told me that their machines make about 20 on average, so this is the number in my experience. If you remember our initial investment of $220 for the machine, if we make $10 a month profit, we will break even in 22 months. If we order from China for $135 or whatever price you negotiate, we will break even in 13.5 months. How passive is the business? So the passiveness of the business can be huge because I'm going every month, and actually this month is the first month that I'm not gonna go after 30 days. I filled the machines up and I'm gonna go every 3 months just to try and see how it works. Maybe some accounts you can go every month if they're super busy, but on slower accounts maybe you can go every 3 months or every 4, whatever the case. So it's pretty passive. Once you put the machine there, once you put the candy in, you go every now and then, clean it up, refill the machine. If you keep a pretty good track on your spreadsheet like I do, you're gonna see which accounts are busier and which are slower. So on the busier accounts, maybe you're gonna go every couple of months. On the slower accounts, maybe you're gonna go every 4 or so. But experiment, it is very passive once you set up the machines. Trading or buying a location or route. I haven't bought or trade a location yet, but I hear people charge somewhere between 8 to 16 months of monthly revenue per location. Also, keep in mind, no one knows how much the machine actually makes except the current owner. There is no way for you to track it. You have to pretty much trust the owner. But how about taxes? So those machines depreciate on a regular 5-year schedule, so there is nothing special about the taxes. It's the same as the ATM business that I talked to. I will link the video up here and down below. You can depreciate the cost of the candy, cost per mile for driving to and from your route, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much the same as the ATM business. And some bonus ways you can make money. Maybe you can place an ad for a kid's store or place some discount coupons on your machines and generate extra revenue this way. I personally haven't done that. I literally just came up with it. Just contact your local kids entertainment venue or store and tell them what you do and how much you charge for your services. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check the videos in the description down below, guys. Keep hustling. See you next time.